feel like dancing.
Be welcomed. We are gathered here today because it's only 10 days to the great Bunanit Barcelona Festival in Puebla Español. God, we hope that you give us great weather, and it hasn't been bad weather in a lot of time, so I really hope you will give us great weather of the 20th of July. Amen. And I hope also we sell out all the tickets so that we will have butter to put on our bread and fish to eat every night.